Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
First, confirm your eligibility to book a driving test. You must hold a provisional license and have passed the theory test. Check your eyesight and any medical eligibility rules before you start. Gather required ID such as passport or driver license and payment information for the zero booking fee. Decide whether you need a practical test for a car, motorcycle, or automatic vehicle. Note any restrictions that could change the available testing services or locations. Open the official booking website and create a secure account using a valid email. Enter your provisional license details exactly as printed to avoid delays. Search for test centers by zip code or city and select a preferred date, usually available within the next 12 weeks. Choose a morning or afternoon slot based on your driving practice schedule. Complete payment with a debit or credit card, and wait for the confirmation email that contains your booking reference number. On test day, arrive at least 30 minutes early to allow check-in and paperwork. Bring your provisional license and the confirmation email or reference number printed or on your phone. Make sure your vehicle meets safety requirements and has valid insurance and registration if you use your own car. You can cancel or reschedule up to 48 hours before the appointment without penalty. If you fail, you must wait a minimum of 2 weeks before booking a retest and pay the zero fee again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.